got that. Shh. The bird sees us. You gotta be very quiet now. What? It saw something. Are you taking a video? Where's our parents? Shh. We're dying. It's not that hot out. You're in the shade. So, I'm dying to death. Please. I feel bad for the really big... I feel bad for the birds. It's like all hot out here and then it's like... Oh my gosh. Actually, I am feeling a really nice breeze though. Baby birds are lucky because it's like they barely have feathers and stuff like that. Just to let you know, these are real birds, not fake at all. Say hi to the birds, people. Tweet, tweet. Awesome. Hey people, say hi to the birds. They'll say hi back. Hello people. Thanks for watching. Look at the baby bird opens its mouth. It's so cool. Hey, the baby bird is like right behind. There's another baby bird inside the nest, and it's like right behind the mom. It's pretty cool. Pictures I took earlier, but I don't know how to put that in the video. Poor baby birds. They barely get fed. It's like to keep on going back. It's really hard to find worms. It hasn't rained in a while. Later people. Thanks for watching.